Hey, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that. Today I'm making air-fried buffalo wings. They're spicy, they're tangy, they're actually awesome. Now the reason I'm in my living room is because the first step is to preheat the air fryer, and I don't have to be in the kitchen for that. Alexa, preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit.
Preheating Cosori Smart Air Fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit.
I love that. Now before we get started, just a reminder, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll get more recipes, craft ideas, travel tips, even restaurant reviews, all in the same spot. Just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always know when new videos are coming out. Alexa, thank you.
You bet.
Let's go to the kitchen. I'll show you the recipe. Now while the air fryer is heating up, I have plenty of time to prepare my chicken. I bought my chicken in full pieces, so I've got to cut them in individual sections. Now if you have it this way, you need to buy a little bit more than 2 pounds if you're going to do a 2-pound recipe. What I will do is I'll bend the wings back first, slice down on the major joint there, and then sort of bend it back, and I can cut right on through for the first piece, and then I'll just chop off the little baby wing piece when I'm done. And I'll do that with all of my chicken. And when I'm finished, I'll actually keep the little wing tips because I can freeze those and use them for a stock sometime later. Now with the rest of my chicken, I'm going to rinse them in cold water, drain them, then I'm going to pat them dry on a paper towel, then they're ready for the seasoning. What I have in my bowl here is I've got 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a heaping teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'll mix all that together with my hand, and then I'll toss my chicken in there till it's fully coated on all sides. Now that my air fryer is ready, I'm going to spray the pan, and I'll add my chicken, trying not to overlap them at all, laying them as flat as possible. And then I will cook it for 12 minutes at 380 degrees. After 12 minutes, I'll open up my basket, I'll move everything around a little bit, shake it up a tiny bit, and then I'll give it another 12 minutes at 380 degrees. Now after that, I'll open my basket once again, toss everything one last time, and then I'll heat it for 5 more minutes at the highest setting on my air fryer, which is 400 degrees. Now during that final cooking process, I'm going to prepare my sauce. In my pan here, I'm melting 5 tablespoons of butter. Once it's melted, I'm going to add it to a sealable container. It's very important that this container is sealable and safely sealable. I'm going to add to that a half a cup of my favorite hot sauce. I have Louisiana hot sauce. You can use whatever brand you like the best. I'll mix that all together, and it's ready for my wings. And here is the final step. I'm going to put these in my sauce. Now, oops, you don't want the drip pan. You just want the basket with all the wings. You don't want that extra grease in there, so don't do what I just did. Set that down. And again, you want to make sure the top is very, very securely sealed. Otherwise, you'll have a hot mess everywhere. And then I'm just going to shake it up. It takes no more than about 30 seconds. All right. Take the top off and look at that. Oh my gosh. So great. I'm just going to put these on a plate here so you can really see them and appreciate them. Woo! Oh, the smell of that is awesome. So good. So, so good. Do a little cleanup here on aisle 7. There you go. Nice and pretty. One little errand guy that doesn't want to be cooperating. I'm going to put him back in position there. Oh my gosh, these look so good. They're going to be so spicy and so tangy, and I can't guarantee you may not actually feel these again tomorrow as well. Anyway, all the information you need is down in the information section below, so check it out. Also, let me know what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Also, leave your comments. I'd love to know what you think about this recipe as well as other recipes you'd like to see me do in the future. Thanks for spending time with me again today. I certainly hope to see you again in the future, and don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.